All right, starting my new cooking channel today. This is gonna be Mark's Cheap Eats. I'm gonna start a whole new YouTube channel just on cheap eats. So we got us here some pre-cooked shrimp, extra small. Then we got some ramen noodles. Gotta have your ramen noodles. Okay. What else? We're gonna add some coconut because this is gonna be coconut shrimp. And we're just gonna add a few of these veggies. We're gonna make us gourmet cheap lunch. Okay, here's how we do it. First, I need a tablespoon of our dried vegetables. We got these from Amazon, I think. They're so good. Tell you what, a tablespoon of these and just regular ramen noodles. Oh, it's a game changer. Then we got to put in our noodles. We need this pack though. Let's see if we can open a pack with one hand. And that's why we have such strong teeth. This you want to throw in the trash, but I don't need to tell you guys that. All right, and we'll just try to open our shrimp here. Put in a couple of shrimp, as many as you like for lunch. That's probably about a baker's dozen. And then our ground up coconut. All this stuff's very, very affordable, by the way, especially the coconut. I think this is less than $1. There's a couple of coconuts in there. And of course a pack of ramen, 27 cents. This is probably like $6 for the shrimp. But if you just eat it like this, that's a whole lot of meals. So you get just enough water to cover the noodles. Not too much. And we'll set our burner front right on high. Bring that to a boil. We're coming to a boil. We just stir that around a little bit. Oh, look at how hot and steamy. Just fogged up the camera lens. I'll let that boil for a few minutes. When I was younger, I was too impatient. I would pull those noodles out right now. Good to eat. Throw some butter on there. But today I'm learning if you let them boil a little longer, they actually get a nicer texture. So I let them boil for at least 4 or 5 minutes. Look at these Jeeps. I'm editing a video while making lunch. Now here goes. She's been boiling for a few minutes. And now the important part is plating. Ooh, jeez. Hope I can do this with one hand. Hope this all fits in one bowl. Oh, look at that. That's good looking lunch if I ever saw one. See all the dehydrated vegetables? Well, peas got rehydrated, carrots, peppers, whatever else is in there. Little green things. Oh, I'm getting hungry just looking at it. Here we go. That's less than $1. I feed the grandkid a tortilla shell. That's all he'll eat. Me, I'm having a nice $1 cheap meal. And I think it's pretty good for you. Got your carbs, you get your protein, a little bit of fat from the shrimp. You got some green vegetables in here. Not a bad meal. Definitely cheap. All right. Keep following me for more cheap eats. I'm going to keep making cheap meals. See if I can keep them all under $1. And let's eat.